This video is going to show how to extract the screw from a Famag mixer panel when the head of the screw has been snapped off due to over torquing. These mixers like the Famag 5, 8, and 10 have screws like this holding the bottom, back, and top covers on. We recommend using a hand screwdriver to remove these. It takes a Phillips screwdriver. Using a hand screwdriver instead of a power driver because a power driver, if it slips off, can easily scratch your paint badly, and of course can snap the head off when you are putting the screws back in. So we have intentionally broken the head off of a screw back in this corner here. The same procedure would apply whether you're doing this in the bottom panel, back panel, top panel. Everywhere there you have a flange that you can get around. So extracting this is really pretty easy because we do have access to the part of the screw that's back inside here. And I'm going to start with, this is a 5-inch long vice grip pliers, locking pliers. And all you have to do is grab onto the shank of the screw that's inside, beyond the flange. Now, these screws are, at least what Famag has been using, is a self-drilling screw. So the tip of the screw has a little drill bit, and it's thin one way and wider the other way. So as you turn around the shank, you'll get a little bit different grip. You could readjust your pliers, but if you really don't need to lock them on anyway, you can just keep them, set them to a tension where you can squeeze hard without even locking on, because these screws aren't usually very tight. Just at first they may be a little bit tight because when they break off you may get the threads set into the sheet metal a little bit twisted in there and bent, but that'll be gone in about a quarter of a turn, and then it's just a matter of easy turning. Now in some of the spots, depending on which panel it is, it may be a little bit tighter quarters, and you might want to use something more like this. This is a 4-inch locking pliers with a needle nose end on it. It can reach into some little bit tighter spots, but see there, the thing has already fallen out now. And we don't recommend trying to turn it out because you have much further to go that way. Really easier to just turn it the rest of the way through and then replace, and we can provide replacement screws if you need. That's all there is to it.